Now I'm starting off my look with some lip balm. As you can see, this lip balm is a tinted lip balm. It's in the shade Cocoa Mint. And I'm just applying this all over my lips so that my lips are not cracked and dry. Now for primer I'm using this Renee primer. This is so that it blurs my my entire face so that I get a smooth base. It's a silicone based primer and it makes, as you can see, it makes the skin really smooth. Just applying that all over my hands and I'm gonna massage this on my face using very little amount of product. You don't want to go overboard with the product. Applying it on my neck as well. Now for color correcting, I'm going in with this color corrector and I'm just color correcting the discoloration on my face and also blending it out with a damp beauty blender. This is so that I can get a clean canvas for my foundation so that it doesn't look ashy. Now I'm going in with this foundation. This is a full coverage matte foundation as I have oily skin and you can see that I have a lot of acne scars. That's why I'm using a full coverage foundation, and this foundation is best for oily skin. Applying that as well with the damp beauty blender. You can use a brush as well. Now for concealer I'm going into these two shades. This is also from the same brand as the foundation. These also are very full coverage concealers. You need very little of it. So I'm first applying the first shade and then the first shade is mostly near my skin tone and the second shade is a brightening concealer. Applying both of that to the highest points of my face and blending that in with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm gonna set all of it in with this loose setting powder. This is a yellow setting powder so that this will also help me set my concealer as well as brighten up my face. And I definitely suggest using this makeup puff to set your makeup because it really creates a smooth canvas. Now that my setting powder is laid on, I'm going in with this compact powder and I'm using it on a fluffy brush and just dusting it all over my face. This gives a very smooth finish. Now for brows, I'm going into this brow pomade and I'm just gonna draw in my brows. Since I wanted my brows to look a little more bushy, I've gone in with this brow gel and I'm gonna use this brow gel all over my eyebrows so that it gives a natural bushy and bushy finish so that it looks more natural. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette right here and I'm going to use the shade Blushing. It's a nice peachy pink shade and I'm going to use it on this fluffy brush and place it on my crease as well as my lower lash line. All the brushes have been bought from Amazon. Now to create the soft cut crease, I'm going in with this shade Creamy, which is a light skin tone-ish shade, and I'm just placing it on the eyelid. I'm carefully just doing the placements on the eyelid. So this internally creates like a soft cut crease. Now for glitter, I'm going into this pressed glitter palette and I'm going to go in with this holographic glitter and place it in my lower lash line but at the center of my eye, as you can see. This brings out the entire eye look. And to make that cut crease more prominent, I'm just putting this glitter on the above of my crease, just above my crease. Now for liner, I'm gonna go in with this gel black eyeliner. So I always go into a gel eyeliner first and then I'll go over it with a liquid eyeliner. Now I'm just drawing a very thin wing. Not going too much, not going too overboard with it, just a tiny wing should be enough. Now that the wings are done, I'm going in with this nude Kohl pencil and I'm going to place it all over the inner, like in my waterline. Now going in with some mascara, I'm gonna just lightly coat my eyelashes because I am gonna go in with some false eyelashes. Now gonna apply some falsies. Now just gonna slightly apply some blush to the cheeks to give in some color, and I'm gonna just contour, slightly contour my nose. And before lipstick, I'm just gonna block out my natural lip color. Over here you can also see I'm slightly going in with some gold shimmer so that my high points are more highlighted. Now for lips, for the lip liner, I'm going into this eyebrow brush, this eyebrow pencil and it's a nice brown shade, and I'm just gonna line my lips. This is just so that I get like a nice clean, outline of the lips. Now going in with this peachy pink lip shade, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my lips. This lipstick is a matte lipstick, as you can see. It's a nice matte pink peach shade. And I'm just applying that all over the lips and blending it out. And we're done.